Accessing and using the Bing's new AI chatbots is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Bing AI. Now go into the chat of Bing AI. You can check out your recent activity from the top right corner. Then start interacting with Bing. Let's send some messages like "Hey Bing." It will introduce itself. Then you can ask more questions like what are your different types. Then you will get to know the different types of Bings. And now let's know about the Bing features. So the 5 major features of Bing AI are: you can ask it any question you want to know, and it will try to provide you with the best answer from the web or its own knowledge base. You can also request it to create something for you, such as a poem, a story, a song, or a graphic art. It will use its generative AI capabilities to produce original and creative content based on your prompt or preference. You can also upload an image or a video and ask it to modify or improve it as your preference. This AI can apply various filters, effects, transformations, and enhancements to your image or video using its computer vision and deep learning skills. You can also ask it to summarize longer documents or web pages for you. It can extract the key points and main ideas from any text and present them in a concise and coherent way. You can also access it from the Microsoft Edge sidebar, which allows you to chat with it while browsing any website. It can also perform searches and answers in relation to the page you're viewing.